What if I told you that every time you spend money on stuff you don't need, you're trading hours of your life for it? That £60 dinner might have cost you 4 hours of work. That new gadget? Maybe an entire day. That car payment? How many hours of your life are you trading? You're not just spending money, you're spending your life energy. So ask yourself, is it worth it? Let's talk about how to stop wasting your time, money, and peace on things that don't actually serve you. Hey everyone, welcome back to John Does Money, your go-to spot for simple, real talk about personal finance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your money game, you're in the right place. Let's dive into today's video to help you take control of your finances and build a better future, one step at a time. Let's talk about something most of us do without even realizing it. Spending money without thinking. And I don't just mean big splurges. I'm talking about the little things, a £5 here, £20 there, that slowly drain not just your bank account, but your life energy. Because here's the truth. Money is just stored life energy. You trade your time, your effort, your creativity, your life to earn it. So every time you spend money, you're spending part of yourself. So the big question becomes, are you spending your money and your energy on what actually matters? Intentional spending, what it really means. Mindful or intentional spending isn't about being cheap or never having fun. It's about aligning your money with your values. Instead of asking, can I afford this? Start asking, is this worth trading hours of my life for? Will this bring real value, joy, or peace of mind? Is this helping me move toward the life I want, or just numbing me from the one I don't? That shift in mindset is powerful. It puts you back in control. I want to walk you through a powerful exercise from the book Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. It challenges the belief that your salary is your true measure of worth. We're going to calculate your real hourly wage, what you actually earn after factoring in all the hidden costs and time of your job. Let's look at a simple example with Sarah. Step 1. The feel-good wage. On paper, Sarah earns £50,000 a year. That's about 2,000 paid hours. Divide it up and it looks like £25 per hour. That feels good. That's the number she probably quotes at dinner parties. But here's the thing, it's not the truth. Step 2. The hidden time cost. Sarah isn't just working 8 hours a day, she's commuting 2 more. She's losing 30 minutes to lunch, another 30 minutes getting ready, and decompressing after. Her real day is 11 hours, not 8. Over a year, that's 2,750 hours of her life traded, not 2,000. Step 3. The hidden money cost. And then there are the leaks. Fuel and car costs, £3,000. Professional clothes, £500. Quick lunches and takeout because she's too tired to cook, £1,500. That's £5,000 gone just to have the job. Step 4. The real hourly wage. Now we do the math. £50,000 minus £5,000 equals £45,000 net. Divide that by 2,750 hours. That's £16.36 per hour, not £25. Over 34% of her hourly value gone. So when Sarah looks at a pair of shoes that costs £100, she doesn't just think, I can afford that. She thinks, that's over 6 hours of my life. That perspective changes everything. By seeing the true cost of working, you change your relationship with money forever. You are now making conscious choices about whether you are trading your life energy for something truly worth it. Now, this may not be representative of your situation, but I encourage you to use this example to calculate your own real hourly wage. Let me know in the comments below what you discover. Now your turn. The next time you're about to spend money, ask, how many hours did I have to work to pay for this? That £60 dinner? If your real take-home is £15 an hour, that's 4 hours of your life. Sometimes, yes, it's worth it. A night out with loved ones, that's a win. But other times, you're spending out of boredom, habit, or to impress people who don't even care. Val used to spend £7 a day on coffee. That's £140 a month. She switched to making it at home. Now she invests that money. And in 15 years, that's worth over £50,000. Mike cancelled 3 unused streaming services, freed up £500 a year. Now he uses that to pay down debt faster. The best part? They both said, I feel in control now. That feeling? That's empowerment. Flip the script. Spend with purpose. Instead of cutting out everything, start adding value. Replace random impulse buys with intentional rewards. Save up for what you truly want, not what's trending this week. Use spending as a way to build your dream life, not escape your current one. This isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. When you stop wasting money on things that don't matter, you free up time, energy, and cash to invest in what does. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Got questions or money challenges? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help and might cover them in upcoming videos. Remember, every step counts on the path to financial freedom. See you next time.